I started again, guys. Okay. Because if I add my client to domain, I can't show you a few things. That's why I done like this. Okay. So last class we seen last time how to control access, right? So how to control file access. So how we done? We go to the drive, okay, and we created a access like a read, write permissions, right? So I created a file on the file. So go to. Guys, can you able to hear, right? I muted or what? Screen sharing is also good.
Okay.
Guys, can you able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
We created a file and we given a security access, right? Security. Okay. So only the student 2 can able to read the file and but cannot edit the file. Like if write, deny, read, allow we given. And another file also same thing, like a student 2 cannot read or write permissions. We are given student 2 cannot read and write. But already I told, when you copy this file from this file system to another file system, okay, it is a possible that based on that one drive to another drive, it is like permission maybe changes. That is one thing. Second, you are manually giving a permissions. Okay, but here I want to tell about a encryption. Sorry, encryption. NTFS, one of the feature is encryption. What it is? We can encrypt a file or folder. Can encrypt file or a folder. User cannot access without
Decrypting.
certificate. So if you don't have a key or certificate, you can't access. Okay, so that is a encrypt. Encrypt means this is a normal file. So for example, my name is Latif. In encrypted format, it shows like this. My name is, it is showing okay like this. What is the meaning of this one is what are the text, it converts into encrypt format. Okay, by using hash algorithms. The spelling is completely wrong, I think. Algorithm. Correctly correct. Algorithm. EHM only. Okay. So this is like this. It is very difficult to read and understand this kind of data. Normal data convert into this kind of data because of encrypt. Okay, so it can be understand by certificate, can be understand or decrypt by key or certificate. Again, I'm telling, that's why maybe we get what is key, what is certificate. So we'll see that one. So when you encrypt the data, it generates automatically a key. You have to, that key stores in your system. So when you open the data, it decrypt the data. It is very useful. But what are these hashing algorithms? Is RSA, RSA, SHA. Okay, so different things are there. SHA1, SHA2, SHA1024. Okay, SHA2048, SHA. SH in RSA also there is a differences are there. RSA 2048. Just for example, I am writing. Okay, one more is there. One more is there. MD5. Sorry, MD5. MD5 is also one of the hashing algorithm. But most popularly we use RSA, SHA. SHA is a very strong protocol. Some people will tell, you are using when you see the PAM files, .set files, okay, .set, .pem, CRT, .crt, .pem, IKE. There's some key files are there. So .set, CRT, PKG, PKF, I think PKF, like that. So we'll update that one later. Okay. So we use a hashing algorithm to encrypt the data, and it generates certificates, and we can also store the certificate here. Why I'm telling this .pem first? Why? Because of we are very interested in cloud, not interested in basics, right? See, HTTP is a standard web access protocol. HTTPS is the encrypted one. Meaning is nothing but HTTP over SSL. Okay, like that. SSL, TLS. Okay, so find out what it is also. Secure socket layer like this. Next, TELNET is used to connect. Okay, for remote connection. Remote connection or access. SSH also use it to remote connection or access purpose protocols, but no encryption. Without encryption, anybody can able to access, tap your data and know what you are accessing. For example, I'm transferring a lot of data over the network, right? Email, Gmail, Fmail, whatever it is, I'm doing it. So whenever I accessing the data, some people put a link to my data transmission, so they will get what data I am transferring. For example, HTTP, HTTPS. Look at here. When I use anything, you can look at here HTTPS. You can see HTTPS. Why HTTPS? What are the data I am transmitting? The data is encrypted and sent. Encrypted. Data transmission is encrypted. If I use HTTPS, no encryption. No encryption. So data, anybody can able to see your data. So to decrypt the data, we need a key like this. And specifically PAM. So I'm telling this one, guys, if you cannot understand this point, this AWS point, no problem. No problem. But listen very carefully. In AWS, EC2 or Azure virtual machines. EC2 is nothing but a virtual machine only. EC2 instant or DBs or DS or anything we are accessing remotely, right? So in a cloud, you create a EC2 instance or RDS instance or virtual machines you created to access it from your local computer, from your laptop. I'm writing laptop. Okay, so we need a key or certificate. Need a key or a certificate. So we have to download, then only we can able to connect it. Have to download key and can connect. So when you see this kind of stuff, then you will understand what I am telling. That is the power of encryptions and keys. So if key matches, you can able to access. If key not matches, you can't able to access. So that is the encryption. But point is not completed. Okay. So what is this encryption? We'll see. Guys, I'm going to create a picture because since starting onwards, okay. Since starting onwards, I'm showing only files. Now we'll show you picture. So I created a picture in my F drive. Then I've opened up in a paintbrush because so while you do this practical, you can do at least little relax and you do it. So this is I'm going to put some picture here. So you can use filler. Okay. You can use a filler here inside. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So you can use stars. Okay, some picture. Okay, so you can use your talent and don't waste your time. So I'm saving, close. So this is my picture. If you want to see this picture like this also, you can see. You can see this is the picture. Now what I'm going to do is right click, properties. Okay, guys, understanding, right? So what you have to do? Advanced, encrypt content to secure data. Select this option. click OK. A notification will come up. A notification will come up. If you miss also, you can get it the notification from here also. Okay, so cancel. Again, I'm doing, guys. Look at this is the picture. Right click, properties.
Advanced.
So in the general tab only, you have to go advanced. What is this? Advanced. Encrypt content to secure data. Click OK and just apply and wait. Automatically, you can see in a bottom there is a notification will come up. If you miss the notification like this, notification is came. If you miss it, no problem. Here it is there. If you miss this one also, no problem. I will tell you the solution. So I'm just clicking on this notification. You can see backup now, later, never backup. I'm going to backup now. I'm backing up this case. Okay, look at this case. Export the certificate. Next. So personal information exchange. No need to select anything, guys. There is a different .cer like this. Some PFX is there, no? Like this. So no need to do it. Only you have to do give the password. Okay, we are not in a domain anyway, so let's give the password. I'm giving a simple password is QWER123. QWER123. Don't forget the password. And this is the encryption types. AES or DES. SHA1, SHA256. I'm using a default one. I'm not changing anything. So AES, DES. Okay. So these are a different type of encryption thing. Our class is the type of encryptions. You can try what are the types of encryption. Okay, hashing algorithms and all. So, but I'm leaving like this only. Now it is asking where you want to store the file name. Click on a browse. You can store in your documents, but I'm not doing that one. I'm putting in my C drive. In the C drive, I'm creating a new folder called a keys folder because I will tell why. So this is my PIC pick one key, and it is a certificate with the PFX save. Okay, it is location. Next, finish. Export successful. Then click OK. So can you see the lock symbol? Can you see the lock symbol? That is a lock symbol. So if you want, you can open it or you can edit it. You can do it. Why? Because of when you are encrypting it, by default, the certificate added to your account. In your account, the certificate is already added. Okay, so this is the picture, you can able to see it. As I said, if in case you miss the notification or you are forget to take the backup, you can do like this. Again, same thing. Go to properties. Look at this picture name. Advanced. Already encryption check mark is there. Go to details. Click on details. Select the username. Backup keys. Okay, this is thumb impression. So, okay, thumbprint. For every certificate, there is a specific thumbprint. The thumbprint matches, then only you can able to open. Backup keys. See, wizard is started. Same thing. You have to give the password. Next, finish. And save the certificate somewhere. Okay, so this is go to details. Select a username, backup keys, or you can add a user also possible. Try, you can if you want, you can try, but currently I'm not doing anything. So this is if in case if you forget the notification or you're not taking a backup. One more is there. Already I told when you've taken a backup.
Sir, but it is showing data, no, sir.
For us it is showing. Why? Because of the relevant key is already, when we are encrypted, it is already in our PC. Okay, I will show you that one. Go to run, put MMC, go to run, put MMC, click OK. So earlier we used different type of MSCs, right? This is MMC is a empty console. Empty console means Microsoft Management Console, empty console. So in this console, go to File, Add or Remove Snapping. Add or remove snapping. Certificates, add. So it is asking my user, service account, computer account. My user account only, because it is a user level certificate, not a computer level. So my user account. Finish. So it is a current user. Click OK. Now this is our certificates, current user, personals, expand like this. So it's different type of certificates are there. This is our personal certificate. If you see here, it is issued to student 1, issued by student 1. This is the expiry date, 100 years expiry date. So I created today, it is up to 100 years. Go to details, which hashing algorithm it is used to encrypt it. What is the serial number, valid from, to, public key. This is the public key. RSA to, like when from public key, from publicly they are asking, so it means this key is required. This is thumbprint. Okay, each and every certificate having a thumbprint to access the data. Okay, so that's a compulsory. Okay, so you put a different certificate with the same name, it won't work. Thumbprint matches between your data and the certificate, then only people can able to access. So by default, when you encrypt the data, the certificate is added to your certificates. Okay, this certificate already you have the certificate. That's why you can able to access the data. If you want to back up this one, also you can do it by right clicking this certificate, export. See, export wizard here. Actually, we are backupping or exporting the certificate because we are already having. If you want to share to someone, so we are exporting that one. Okay, so that is about your certificate. Now I don't want to save it. So it is simple to open. Go to MMC, click OK. Yes, Microsoft Management Console. Go to File, Add or Remove Snapping. Add or remove snapping. Click on a certificates. Click Add. My user account, because it's a user account based. Click OK. So very simple. Some certificates are in here. Depends upon the service. The certification location varies. Personal certificates, global based certificates, trusted certificates, act to date, like that. So it depends upon the system to system, service to service. Location of the certificates by default locations are different. Okay, this is our certificate. You can open, you can go to details also, you can go to each and every details from here, and here you can get it. And also you can export it from here if you want it. If you want to delete the certificate, also you can able to delete it here. So no need to save it if you not required to save it anyway. So guys, we have a certificate. Now, what is the thing I told? You encrypt the data without a certificate. Any user, either local system or through network, also people cannot able to access the data. So I'm signing out from my current account. It is a 4. Okay, 210. So 210. So okay, I will finish. No, sorry. Cool. I did a big mistake. Login as the same student one only. So I encrypted in a student one, and student one having already a certificate inside. Now I'm signing out. So I have to sign in as a student 2 or 3. Student 2. Just like how you done a NTFS permissions, same thing you have to do in a one user account and try to access from the other user. In generally, like in a certain services, like a HTTPS kind of stuff, work folder kind of stuff, you can also generate self-signed certificates. Okay, so this is your file. So it is showing lock symbol. I'm trying to open. Open or not? You have to wait. You have to wait till it is showing some error. We need error. Yes. Now it is showing the error. What it is showing? It is appears that you don't have a permission to view this file. Check the permissions and try again. So you don't have a permission to see these files. Okay, so that is our encryption. So I don't have keys in my account. So obviously I can't able to access. Add certificates. See, under personals, you are not having any certificates. Just I'm minimizing, so we'll see. No need. Just to close it. Okay, you don't have a certificate, you can't able to access. Guys, understand?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. The question is, if I give you the certificate, which is I exported, if I give it to you, if you install, can you able to access?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Lock
Yes,
my
sir.
home,
Yes.
but I given a key to you, then you can able to access, right? That's why I put
Yes,
in a
sir.
C drive. Okay, in a C drive keys folder is the key. You want to see the extension also, you can see that is PFX, personal information exchange file. So double click or a right click, you can find install PFX, right? Install PFX, and it is the first option automatically wizard is started. That is for a import wizard. Import. You want to put it in a current user. Next. This is the password. Sorry, this is the file. Next. password. I given a password, compulsory give the password correctly. No need to select anything. Next. And it is asking automatically store the file or you want to place it. If you want to place yourself, you have to select where you want to store it. Or you can choose automatically, also no problem. For this one, automatically also no problem. Next, I use automatic. Import was successful. Import was successful. Now I imported it is a backup key. I imported, I installed a certificate. Now it is automatically showing, right? See, as I'm trying to see the file. Okay. Yeah, it is started. Trying to open. We'll see. Wait. Yeah, picture is open. If you want to edit also, you can edit. If you want to edit this file, you can edit also. So that is called a encryption. Not only for a picture, just pictures are no, just for to show the output. That's it. I use a picture. Normal, I use a picture for that output. So you can see, you can do it on a files also. You can do it on a files also, but I use a picture. That's it. So the lock symbol represent it is encrypted or locked. So to lock the files, you can use an encryption technique. So I install a key to my account, so then I can able to access it. And when I log into this account, student 2, in a student 2, we don't have a certificate earlier. Now again, now I exported, right? So I imported. This certificate is showing like this from student 1. Okay, that certificate we installed. Because of this certificate, we can able to access it. Okay, of course, you can delete the certificate if no further requirement. You can delete the certificate from you also. I can delete it, no problem. But again, it will take another 15 minutes to you show what is happened if I deleted it. That's why I am not doing that. If you don't have a certificate, you can't access. If you have a certificate, you can access. That's it. If you delete the certificate, and if you delete the certificate, you have to do a few more things. Then only you can see the output. So what I'm trying to do is, I've written about the certificates, the access in my PC, Win C1. This is not um, okay. So I log in as a student 1. Then I go to E drive. The E drive or F drive. I have F drive. In the F drive, I created a picture. You can take anything. So picture name is pic1.bmp. I created. Okay, that's it. And what I done? So right click on pic1.bmp and then advanced. Encrypt option. That's it. Next. Click backup. Check encryption. Okay, kind of okay. Apply. So So click on backup encrypt keys. Okay. Then only next was only. So then you have to give password compulsory, and also some password. What are the password you can give? Password. Okay. And store in C. Why C drive? Because anybody can able to access that folder. Store in keys. Okay, and then finish our export. Next.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
we have encrypted only the file, right? So
Only
can we, yeah, like painting or something file we have encrypted, right? So when
yes,
can we encrypt whole drive?
yes, we can do it. We can do it. And in with the student to drive whole folder, or folder also you can encrypt. Drive also you can able to encrypt it.
Can you show us, sir?
Wait, sign in with the student to check. Means open PIC 1.bmp. Okay, so that is a completed. So you want contents. Now go to C keys folder. Okay, then you can find p1 key dot pfx install pfx. Okay, with the password. That's the thing. Okay, so we have to finish. I'm not able to concentrate. Now finish and check. Means open pic1.bmp file. That's the key thing. Yes, guys, you can able to encrypt files, folders, and drives also. Okay, so we can able to do it. I'm not going to encrypt any going to try encrypt it, but there is an option so to encrypt it also. Right click, properties. Okay, entire drive will be encrypted. So general, where is that one? They removed that option. Sorry. So actually, option will be there earlier. They removed that option because of BitLocker. Okay, it is not showing. I will give you a small introduction to BitLocker because it's already 2:30. Its meaning is I'm getting shivering. Second one is, yeah, you have to come back, right? So you have to eat lunch. So I'm telling this BitLocker. BitLocker is nothing but BitLocker. Afternoon, I will show you how to do the practical drive encryption. BitLocker drive encryption. It encrypt the drive and lock drive with password. Okay, so to access drive need a password. You need a password. Again, remember to lock the drive. Need a restart only, no other option. No direct locking system is not there. You have to restart the PC. Only one option. Okay, need to restart PC. Okay, so this is a BitLocker drive encryption. So just go to disk management. So we need a small drive, not a 10 GB drives, guys. 2 GB drive is enough. Okay, very good. We are in different places. So you want to complete now, or can I show afternoon? Means already we are in afternoon. After break. So I'm going to student 1. Yeah, I will show you in afternoon because it's at 2:30. Again, it will take another 15-20 minutes. Then no break at all. Okay. Yeah, that's it. These are the encryptions. And what is a BitLocker? BitLocker is drive encryption, and also it will lock the drive with the password. How to manage the BitLocker password recovery, I will tell you in afternoon. Okay, so this is importance of encryption, guys. Importance of encryption. Understand how to do encryption certificate things. EFS. EFS means encrypted. Encryption or encrypted file system, or encrypt file system kind of stuff. It is also a file system. Okay. Yeah, that's it now. So come back at 3:15.